Welcome everybody. Today, I will be reviewing the Dell OptiPlex 7010 Tower Business Desktop. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out. At the core of the OptiPlex 7010 is the Intel Core i7-13700, a 16-core processor capable of turbo speeds up to 5.10 GHz. This powerful CPU ensures seamless multitasking, making it suitable for demanding workloads such as data analysis, video conferencing, and creative tasks. With 24 threads, the processor excels at running multiple applications simultaneously without performance dips. The integrated Intel UHD 770 graphics provides smooth visuals, perfect for general business needs like presentations, light graphic editing, and video streaming. The Dell OptiPlex 7010 Tower Business Desktop is an ideal choice for professionals and businesses seeking a reliable and powerful workstation. With its 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor, robust memory options, and versatile connectivity, the system comes with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, ensuring effortless multitasking and the ability to handle heavy workloads. For businesses requiring advanced performance, the RAM can be upgraded to 64 GB, providing scalability for future needs. On the storage front, the 1 TB PCIe SSD offers blazing fast speeds for booting up and accessing files. With the option to expand storage up to 2 TB PCIe SSD or 2 TB SATA HDD, this desktop provides ample flexibility for managing extensive data archives or large applications. The OptiPlex 7010 is designed for a connected world. It features a range of USB-A ports, 3.2 and 2.0, DisplayPort, HDMI, and an RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet port, ensuring compatibility with modern and legacy peripherals. The inclusion of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth further enhances wireless connectivity, allowing seamless integration with devices like keyboards, mice, and headsets. The front-facing USB ports and universal audio jack provide convenient access for frequently used peripherals, while the rear ports support a clean and organized workstation. This tower is optimized for professional settings, offering a compact yet expandable design. The toolless chassis simplifies upgrades, making it easy to adapt the system to changing business needs. The Windows 11 Pro operating system ensures a user-friendly experience with enhanced security and productivity features. It's a significant upgrade for businesses seeking modern functionality, including advanced multitasking and robust encryption tools. The Dell OptiPlex 7010 is a perfect choice for business professionals, ideal for running office applications, managing databases, and collaborating through video conferencing. Small to medium enterprises, scalable hardware that grows with your business needs, tech enthusiasts, for users who prioritize expandability and flexibility. The Dell OptiPlex 7010 Tower Business Desktop delivers a reliable, high-performing solution for modern business environments. Its robust hardware, scalability, and enterprise-friendly features make it a smart investment for professionals and organizations looking to stay ahead in a competitive landscape. With its focus on productivity, security, and flexibility, this desktop stands out as a top-tier option for demanding workloads and future-proof computing. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out.